Guys, welcome to three-dimensional tutorials. So here we have a general solution, cos 2 theta plus sine 4 sine squared theta minus 5 sine theta minus 4. Yeah, we have a lot of things here. So but we can see a problem here. We have a double angle, we have a single angle, so that means we can change the double angle into a single angle here. So but we have to be careful, since we know the double angle for cos is expressed as this: cos squared x minus sine squared x, or 2 cos squared x minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine squared x. So here we have to check here, other than this cos, we have sine here. So meaning when we change this, we have to check for the one that has only sine. So this has only sine because it's just 1 minus 2 sine squared x. So we have to change it to that. So in this case here, you'll write 1 minus 2 sine squared x, it's not x, this is theta, plus 4 sine squared theta minus 5 sine theta minus 4 equal to 0. So in this case, we add the like terms, like sine squared negative 2 sine squared theta and 4 sine squared theta are like terms. They are both sine squared theta. So you can add them, negative 2 and 4, you get 2. This will be 2 sine squared theta. Then we have this one, it's alone. We can write it like minus 5 sine theta. Then you have 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4, you get negative 3 equal to 0. So if we have this, you see sine squared, we have sine, and we have a number. This is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So it's in this form. So you can use quadratic formula to get the factors, or if you know the factors, you can just substitute right away. So the factors for this will be 2 sine theta, then here will be sine theta. The factors of 3 will get here you have to be careful with which part you put 3 and which one you put 1 here. So you can even use quadratic formula to get the answer for this. This will be plus 1. You can check it whether it's correct or not. So in this case, this will be 2 sine theta equal to negative 1, or sine theta equal to 3. So in this one, we divide both sides by 2. That means sine theta equal to negative 1 over 2. So this, we have sine theta is negative 1 over 2. This negative 1 over 2 will tell us where we find our general solution. We have to ask ourselves, where is sine negative? Ask yourself, where is sine negative? Sine is negative in the third and fourth quadrant, you see. So that means your general solution will be in the third and fourth quadrant. So but we only need, for examination, we only need one quadrant. We choose one quadrant. So mostly they just choose the first one. But for us, we'll just do all of them so that we can learn more. So for this other one, sine theta equal to 3. So this we won't have solution, no solution for this. Why? Because this is 3. 3 is 3 over 1. So your hypotenuse is smaller than this one. So sine is what? Opposite of hypotenuse. Your opposite is 3 and your hypotenuse is 1. So this is impossible. You cannot have such thing. So your hypotenuse is the longest side. So here it's 1 and so small. So we cannot get the general solution for that one. So that leaves only with this one. So this one will go to, we have third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So you go to third quadrant. Third quadrant, what do? You say what? Before that, you have to find your reference angle. Find the reference angle. Reference angle of this will be sine